In this episode, I'm going to show you how to get your API keys from Alpaca Markets. Alpaca Markets has an incredibly powerful API that I quite like. To get to it, head to Alpaca Markets and either log in or sign up if you haven't done already. The free tier is completely fine for this tutorial, but just be aware that if you want to do extensive trading on it, you will need to consider upgrading. Once you've logged in, you should come to this screen, which is your live trading. Now, this is just a demo account for me, so I've got absolutely no live trading in there. But there's a few pretty cool things that you can see. We'll be using their paper trading, or which is effectively a fake trading account that allows you to experiment without actually risking any money. So if we head over to here and go to my paper account, okay, you can see here it's got a little pop-up, no paper tradings, no real money has been used, which is great. And you can see that I've been playing around here with a little bit of Bitcoin. I wish I had invested it because I would have made some great money off of it lately. Anyway, is what it is. So head over to the screen and then generate these keys here. To do it, you just push generate or regenerate if you've already got some. When you push it, it'll go and reset all of your keys. So if I wanted to generate some new keys, I just go here, push generate keys. And you'll see here how it comes up with a key and a secret. At this point in time, your old keys have been reset. So if you have been following along with this episode and you've already generated the keys once, you do need to go in and add them in again. And that's a wrap. You've got your Alpaca API keys and you're ready to start conquering the world's largest capital market. Follow the rest of the playlist to see exactly how we go about doing that.